So I have a older Ford Super Duty here, the bed of it. This one's gonna get a new bedside. I have my new side right here. This one's gonna be a little interesting because it's been replaced before and there's some nasty welds and some nasty work on it I'm gonna have to clean up. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get this bedside cut off. Alright, I got this bedside all fit up on this one and got my gaps at the tailgate looking good. I ran a few sheet metal screws in here to make sure I get it back in the same spot, so whenever I put this bedside back on, I'll put these screws in and that'll put it in the exact same position it's sitting right now. But I'm going to lift this side back off and finish getting it prepped out so it could go on permanently. So normally I would weld the wheelhouse through here, but being how rusted the wheelhouse is on this truck, and it's a 20-year-old truck, I'm going to glue this because I'm afraid the wheelhouse that's on the bed still will blow apart if I try to weld it. So I'm going to panel bond it all throughout here.